Want your iPhone to save screenshots automatically without showing that big preview? This quick guide is for you. Let's set it up in just a few steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. We're starting here so we can access the screenshot controls easily. Now tap on General. Most system features are inside this section, so we just need to scroll a little to find it. Scroll down and select Screen Capture. This is where your iPhone manages how screenshots are saved and displayed. Turn off Full Screen Previews. With this off, your screenshots save instantly without showing the full preview. Now, turn off CarPlay Screenshots. This prevents your device from capturing unnecessary screenshots while using CarPlay. With both of these options turned off, your iPhone will now save screenshots automatically and without any interruptions. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.